Assalamu alaikum all of you. Welcome back to again my YouTube channel, friends. I hope you are also fine and I hope you are too good. First of all, friends, so viewers, I hope you are also fine and I hope you are too good. Crochet table runners. Crochet table runners is a decorative and functional textile item typically made from yarn and crafted using a crochet that is placed down the center of a table. It serves to protect the table surface, add visual interest, and complement table setting. Crocheting table runner can be customized in length and colors to suit various table size and decorative style. These videos show how to crochet a table runner starting with a slip knot and chains and then working double crochets. Protection table runners help protect table surface from scratches, spills and heat damage. Table crochet runner and beautiful designs and short interested and unique ideas is so. Table runner is beautiful designs and new ideas and new colors, so beautiful designs and interesting ideas is table runners and professional and interesting design. So table runner help protect table surface from scratches, spills and heat damage. They add decorative elements to the table, enhancing table runners and enhancing. They add decorative elements to the table, enhancing to overall. Table runners and mobile viewers and beautiful designs, so beautiful ideas is so viewers enjoy these videos and enjoy my videos viewers and new colors and so viewers crochet table runners are new designs and new colors and viewers and beautiful crochet table runners designs and new accessories beautiful and explain new viewers crochet table runners and functional extenders of runners can be used. They can be simple or elaborate with various stitches, pattern, texture and embellishment like pins or beads. Customization. The beauty of crochet is that you can easily adjust the size and stitches pattern to perfectly match your table and personal style. Materials. Cotton yarn is a popular choice for its durability and washability, but other fibers like lines or astricals can also be used. Versatility. Table runners can be used on dining tables, coffee tables, or even as decorative accents on shelves or dresses. Scandal decor. Crochet runners can be easily adapted for different seasons. For holidays, be using different colors and be pattern. Table runner is a sort furnishings designs to either completely replace or complement a tablecloths. As the name suggests, tablecloths are designed to run across the table either vertically or horizontally, depending on your personal performance or the shape of the table you want to decorate. Versatility and function points. Table runners serve as decorative purposely protect tables from TVs, define individual setting and provides foundation for centerpieces, enhancing overall table decor. Table traditional way to use a table runner is to place in each the counter of the table lengthwise. The create sound elegant visual guide to illusion the various centerpieces or serving dishes used during reception. A runner is a person who runs a casual running jogs around the block or catches their dog on beach. If you train to run in the events of you also runner and you play bus build your runners when you remove from first to second base. The table runner can act as a water repellent. They offer a place to put condiment, preventing and spillage from reaching the table point. Aesthetic lines or clothes. Table runners serve practical functional by protecting tables from scratches, spills, and heat damage. Noons, she learns basic crochet stitches from her mother. I looked when I got to attention. She had crochet remains with cloth with a pink. It is done is fibers, crochet piece, ribbons, crochet fill into her lap. A crochet business involves monetizing your crochet skills by selling handmade products, pattern related services can include creating and selling finished items like clothing, accessories, home decor, and toys, as well as offering custom crochet service, tailoring crochet classes. Crocheting is a delightful and versatile craft that allows you to create beautiful and functional items using just a hook and some. Whether you're making cozy blankets, stylish garments, or cute toys, crocheting can be a relaxing and rewarding hobby.